No, no. Oh my God. Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go. Hi guys, here's me once again, and just as always, we are at the Quotex platform, so we're going to be trading, we're going to be using some strategies, we're going to be using everything that we can get from it and get some results, just like that, briefly, shortly, and we start. Okay, we are where we are, just the starting point. It's going to be 500 and 1 minute interval for us. Going to do all these currency pairs. That's okay. We can try this one also, just for a change. Just for a change. Of course, that's going to be 10 seconds, 5 minutes. It's crazy. That is crazy. And then rate of change. Then that's gonna be short trend cycle. I hate it. All of you know that, but I still hate it and still use it. You know, it's like a codependent relationship. Bollinger Bands, which it's okay for me. I have nothing much to say about this one, and zigzag, just in order to have the Bollinger Bands to handle all of that. So I don't believe it's going to be really nice strategy, but anyway, we better be checking it and then making all of our conclusions. Here we are. Just made it. Look at this sharp trend cycle. Can you see it? No, of course not. You can't. I bet you can't. This is the bottom, in my opinion. If you're gonna be checking the rate of change, this is the peak. That may be just like that. But if you're gonna be checking the Bollinger Bands, look at this. Now it's kind of obvious that we're gonna be rising. But at the moment when I was making my bet, it actually wasn't. So you need to be a little bit ahead of it. Maybe that is because of the period, because actually fixing the periods, fixing this stuff also. And now we have this rate of change to showing us that it's going to be the rising, but that's a little bit too late, man. I already made my decision. So just as I told you, I don't wait for some great helper. No, I don't wait for some support or something like that. 800, and I may say that it's going to be peak and we're going to be getting downward, but I think that was the peak. We're going to get downward and then we're going to break again. That's my plan, because I think we're going to be getting back upward. What about the sharp trend cycle? Just a little check, right? There is none of it. Okay. And look at this. I don't like these Bollinger Bands being that narrow. You know, that's the bad sign for us, because we're going to be changing. Oh my God. I'm gonna be just pretending that was planned. You know, guys, I think when I was in the beginning of it, when I started, I was like sitting here in beautiful dresses, you know, with the full makeup on, and I was like, I'm an expert, I'm a trader. And then after a while, I'm just like, I don't know, I'm sitting here, like I'm having lots of the friends who I'm talking to, and I like it more because I can be myself. and I can say the truth. Sometimes it's not working. Sometimes I don't know what's going on. Sometimes I'm so satisfied. Sometimes I'm proud. Sometimes I'm overwhelmed. And sometimes I'm really, how to say that, self-centered. I'm thinking only about myself and not about the tradings. And I love it because I have more pleasure. It's impossible to continue and to make a lot of the videos because I make a lot of them, a lot of the support. If you're gonna be, just sitting here, put your mask on, it's not possible. Oh, Shashan Cycle. Nice one. I've been at the bottom and you got back from it. And so that's what I was just trying to say. I am just being myself, and I hope you like that. I truly hope you like that because there is no other option. That's the gift. You're just gifted with the Shashan Cycle yellow straight line. Orange. Here we are. Thanks to the zigzag, I can see kind of briefly that we are into some fluctuations. I don't love it that we go in just upward because we may hit the highest point and then go back. Right here, if we now go in at the bottom, that's going to be okay because then we hit the bottom and rise. Let's see. And look how it is messed up. We go in with this small fluctuations. And rising. We are rising. We were correct. We are rising. Thanks. Thank you. Look at this Shashan Cycle. Oh, that's beautiful. It is showing to us that we are at the bottom. We've been at the bottom. No, it's not showing us that we are at the bottom. And I don't think that we are at the bottom, actually. I think we're going to be just going with this pattern. And that's okay. Two options for us. Or we are at the bottom, we're going to be just rising, ultimately. Or we are not at the bottom, but we will have this period of rising, and then we're going to get downward. And we need to be just right on time and not to catch all this downward trend too low. By now, it's okay. But of course, there's no guarantees. But look at these Bollinger Bands. It's not getting narrow, it's not getting smaller, so we may expect some rising. We do not expect some... No, we were correct. We were correct. That's this type of downward trend. 5,000. Not bad, not bad. It's done. When it's done, all of that. So I am not even mad. I am not satisfied. I am interested. I have this, maybe we can use that. Maybe we can use it better. Maybe we can get some more profits with this strategy. That's the good one. Being curious, that's the cure, actually, from being bored, from being overwhelmed, exhausted, or stuff like that, because we need to have some interest. We need to put some interest in that. And it's not only about the money. It's all about the discoveries. It's all about the, okay, let me check this one. Maybe I can find something that is going to be perfectly working. And that what is actually keeps me alive sitting here for 3 years already.